you want them all to be little Tony Hawks?
Yeah, that's what they thought they were doing. But
why are you going over there? Why are you moving back over here? Like, what are you doing?
The technology of inline.
And now you're gonna cut off that guy.
So I wish rollerblades were there. We should have got popular. I think we should.
Weird. No stop. BM double douche. Red light, Ron. And of course, no one on this side is going. No, right turn, regret. Yeah, you better stop.
Subsidies, they've changed all these rules and made it impossible. We're not making them anymore. You've made it impossible for us to make these anymore. And then Trump was like, what about if I make gas $5 a gallon and I work against all the
nice cutoff, and I don't know if you're allowed in the left lane or not. It's like, I know the big trucks are definitely legal in the left lane. I don't know about RV and campers. People tell me different things, and I don't really listen to them. So there you go. Although it looks like that thing's being towed. Although probably not. I don't know.
To revel in all its glory, but we're going to be back after that minute with even more of The Beauty and the Atheist.
Really?
Okay, what about you are mother acknowledged?
Kidnap Eve.
Yeah. So, okay. Do gunfight in real life? I have no idea how gunfights work. You're talking to the experts. Okay, yeah. You guys know about this. Yeah. In gunfights.
Fuck me.
Do you ever actually land on a standoff where you're just like,
we had a microscope, something evolving, and now we can do. There's like a video on YouTube of it. So we're like, guys, go huddle up.
Nope. Wow. What an asshole.
You're allowed to have a little naval window as part of your military uniform. Do you guys know that?
Red light run, red light run, red light run.
Hey, Gramps. It revisits a debate about evolution that he lost very badly to an atheist YouTuber.
Nice cutoff.
And he's been seething with rage ever since. So a fake blankie that dumb people think Jesus irradiated when he came back to life, and that drew a
holy
shape
shit
of himself in the blanket.
Okay, well, it sounds silly when you describe it like that.
Okay.
It does. I challenge you to describe it in a way that doesn't sound incredibly silly.
Fucking turkey crossed the
I
road.
didn't say there was one, I just...
More cute. Bob Kraft. Look at that line.
Really, dude?
But you can become very much a celebrity. And you can very much become one of the real players in town, in your city. How he's going to respond to
the fire in 1997, the backing was removed and people were able to see the back of the shroud for the first time.
Exit dive.
The image had bled through, but only a little.
Toyo, turn!
If it was created by
early access to extended ad-free version of every episode, or you can make a one-time donation by clicking on the donate button on the right side of the homepage and scanning the
Nope, and thanks for cutting me off.
Everything is fucking insane right now. You can also help a ton by leaving a 5-star review.
What are you doing? Really?
Let's see how they do. Right now, the Tigers are playing terrible baseball. I mean, absolutely.
Really?
Toyo
Tard.
The best players aren't there.
To God, I'll trick.
Yeah, right. I'll take all the holy water.
Basically, twice the blessing for the customer.
That white truck thing.
There were a few.
Whoa, Jesus Christ. Really? You kind of rolled that, dude. Yeah, just force yourself in. See all the cars that are lined up around here?
And they have since tried to rip both up, which is incredible. But I think that speaks to
why are you
something
on the wrong side of the
which is,
road? Really?
There's no other way to put it. It's a call.
Yeah, well, we're excited about that. I mean, the thing about that is it's actually gone down. It was
Brother, so let me draw you a chart with some yarn. Like, do you have any more push pins that are different colors? Because if they're all blue, it won't work.
Nice cutoff up there.
I'm going to use my position as second in command.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah. Can't wait. Yeah, it's always fun when you come out. You got the blueberry fritter.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, you know,
Exit died. Toyota.
Joke thing. Saturday night is.
Right, absolutely. You get the full mousetrap at the pro level.
So we watch Oren get his ass kicked for a little while. This
Don't
movie
stop.
will just do the sort of perfunctory, guy.
Okay, so here's the thing that's amazing. We take a little cloth armband and we rip that, and then we tie it on, and we're like, I'm wearing something.
It's
ripped.
ripped on a string.
No, stop.
It's 100% real.
Corrupt the city's youth. So they headed straight for the candy stores and the amusement parks
Nice cut
to
off.
smash the ever-loving fuck out of pinball machines.
Nope. Really?
Was, for example. But as tempted as you might be to think that at this point, sending an explicitly Christian invitation in the name of a government agency using a list compiled on the taxpayer dime isn't really lead story material.
Nice
You
cut
have
off.
to admit, at least, that the fact that you've reached that point where anyone be on the lookout for a brand new episode of our Sister Show's Hot Friend God Awful Movies debuting at 7 Eastern on Tuesday, and an even new episode of our Half Sister Show Citation Needed debuting at noon Eastern on Wednesday.
Nice cut off, and
episode number of
no trucks in the left 2 lanes. No, you cannot be there. And it's for real because we're in Massachusetts and that's the law. No trucks allowed in the left 2 lanes. No, you cannot be there. Oh, well, sucks to be you. You get to be in the video. And I get to sing the stupid song. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! All right, I'll see you next time. Okay, bye!